Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Ron's Keto Cafe, Chaffle's Whole Life, episode number 84. Well, today we're making crispy flaxseed cheddar chaffles. For this recipe, you need a third of a cup of cheddar cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed, or to taste like I did. I put a tablespoon by mistake, and it still came out fine. A fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and this ended up making 3 chaffles, I believe, or 2. I think it was 2. I just wrote it wrong. But yeah, I got 2 chaffles out of this particular recipe because I put a third of a cup of cheese in it. And then over here, I was just mixing it all up, and then I got these going on the mini dash. And again, to clean up the mini dash, all I ended up doing was a damn piece of paper towel, and that's all she wrote. And then what I'm doing over here on the dash is I'm just spreading it all out with the spoon there just to fill in the gaps of the hole so you can get a nice chaffle. So at the end of the video, we're going to come back and talk about it. And so let's just move on. Okay, so we are back. So I just plated them up. They put them on the cooling rack. And again, if you want them really crispy, just take them a little with cheese and put it on the top, prior to adding your mixture on top of your dash. And you can see how easy they broke apart. That white is just from a little bit of egg. And they tasted fine. I really like these. I'm really surprised at some of these when I wouldn't even thought about making and experiment with different things. They taste really good. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one.